Hi guys, I'm Tiffany, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a candlestick, or to try to get your knees down to your nose while you're on your back. So let's get to the video, and don't forget to subscribe. So first, you would want to straighten your legs and then kick one up at a time. A couple times. Okay, so after you do that, you might want to reach for your feet, and don't forget to point. Then flex your feet, and then put a knee up and then push it towards your body and try to reach for your toes. And then, if we're going under your candle, you're going to want to do this. Kick your feet up. But if you can't hold it, scoot like this. And then just try doing it like this. And so if you hold it for a minute, then you can try to get your knees down to your nose. And if you want, you can have your toes touching something and walk your feet down. And then, so this is what it should look like. If you want your toes to touch something. And then just kick it to your, so lay on your side and then kick your legs. And then do that on the other side a couple times. And then when you're done, try to do this a couple times. A couple like races. And then start kicking up with your hands on your back. Do that a couple times. And then, crap, I can't do it now. Like this. And then if you want, you can grab your feet and pull them closer to you. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. And I love you, Ryan Satter. I love you. Bye. See you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow's my birthday. So leave a comment down below saying happy birthday to me. And Rod, yesterday, he embarrassed me in front of thousands of people. And it was on live TV. Seriously. He's like, I want to wish Tiffany a happy birthday. He's like, oh God, no. I almost killed him. That was funny. I love getting embarrassed, and I love beating up boys. It's true. I almost beat up a boy in first grade. Yeah. And third grade. Because I kicked him in the nuts, and I almost punched him in the face. Okay, so never mind. Bye. Hope to subscribe. It might be on the screen. I'm not sure. And make sure to click that I button for Brooklyn and Bailey, if it's even up there. I forgot if it was up there or not. And then I hope you subscribe. Click that gray bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post the next video. So bye. See you guys next time.